Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime, overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it up louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be F-E-A-R-L-E-S-S. Fearless. Once I get in and I put it in drive, ain't no more stopping me, don't even try. Controlling the chaos, controlling the vibe. Yeah. That's all the shots that you don't take. You'll never be heard if you don't say. Just gotta get out your own way. You can't learn to fly on your own if you don't let go. Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it up louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be F-E-A-R-L-E-S-S. Fearless.
You bring me down for all to see, then switch it up and treat me right. You promise sun, but you bring rain. I still love what you do to me. The highest highs, the lowest lows. You take me to every extreme. Can't get enough, please let me be. But I love what you do to me. what you do to me. I was swinging along, minding my business, when suddenly out of the blue, just like a present from heaven, beautiful, wonderful you, the clouds disappeared and the birds started singing a beautifully wonderful tune, for no other song could be worthy of beautiful, wonderful you. Now who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever believed? Could it be true that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? I'll swing along, happy as ever, no longer lonely or blue, for I have been kissed by an angel, beautiful, wonderful you. Now who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever believed? Could it be true that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? Now I'll swing along, happy as ever, no longer lonely or blue, for I have been kissed by an angel, beautiful, wonderful, marvelous, lovable, beautiful, wonderful you.
Yeah, I was done, but I kind of changed my hairstyle. I want to pack it. So if you want to make this type of hairstyle, like this type of packing, you will have to make sure you can try to divide your hair into two. Then you have to make sure all of them are together like the way I'm doing here. You just have to wrap the thread and make sure you have a one, then the one pack, then another one, you pack the other one same way, and then you try to attach the packed hair into the roots of one of the hair, either one into the beginning. Try to attach it there, and then when you do that, it will make it to stay, because you don't want to leave it dangling and that. So another hairstyle you can do when you finish this type of hairstyle is you can try to pack it like up to and kind of do a donut, like you try to wrap it around so that it will be like a donut, like our local shuku hairstyle. But if you don't want to do that, you can do this one, or you can also decide to just leave it. You can try to just leave it, just cut out the thread, the remaining Brazilian wool. You can use our fire to make the hair tight and just pack it that way if you are the type that like a long hair to be touching your neck or the nape of your neck. Or if not, you can just pack it the way I did here, and it's very nice. You can wear it, and one thing about this one is that you can later lose it and pack it like a donut, or you leave it down. So that's just the advantage of this packing this hairstyle initially, and that is the final look. You see, this hair will actually protect your scalp, protect your hair. Kindly subscribe and follow.